only for 280 rupees. Can you guys believe it? Hi guys, what is up? It's Arushi. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. आज का वीडियो काफी स्पेशल है क्योंकि मैं अपने OG बैकड्रॉप में हूँ, OG सेटअप में हूँ. If you guys have been following me since the starting, आप लोग को पता है this is literally where I started and it's been a year or two कि I actually sat down and filmed a video over here, so I'm super excited. It feels surreal. Anyway, आज का वीडियो is काफी exciting because it's a Myntra haul. Now I was actually contemplating doing this video क्योंकि मैंने काफी सारी चीजें मंगवाई थी, half of which I returned and उनमें से एक तो शायद fake भी है, but if you guys want to know about that, stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm gonna be spilling some tea. Anyway, आज के वीडियो में I have 5 to 6 things to show you guys, but I have kept a price range in mind. So the highest thing that I've bought is for 604 rupees, literally. So हर चीज almost 600-500 रुपए के नीचे ही है. All of them are super affordable and good quality. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and without any further ado, let's now quickly get started. Alright, so first let's start with Indian wear. मैं सबके prices बता भी दूंगी, but if you guys want, I'll have the links down below and all the prices listed down in the description box. So make sure to check that out. पहले let's just look at Indian wear because I only got one kurti. So this is what I first got. This is a really nice indigo blue, dark blue kurti. It's 100% cotton and it's from this brand Sandhya. I love the print on it. It's really nice and it's very breathable. Actually, I wore it and I saw it's really nice. Perfect for college and office wear. Very simple. और मुझे Indian wear इस color में बहुत पसंद है. Totally Fab India vibes देता है ये. This was originally for $9.99 and I saved a lot of money and got it only for $4.49, which is extremely cheap for such a good kurti. Next, I have a graphic t-shirt. This is actually super quirky and very cute, totally my aesthetic. So this is from the brand Only and it's basically a white graphic t-shirt. I love it and it has this print which says banana split or print neon pink color में है. मेरे पास कुछ भी actually neon नहीं है, so I really like this. This is actually a gift from my friends to me because I forgot to add this to my cart and my friends very kindly sent it to me, so it's very cute. This one is originally for $9.99 again and there was a nice discount on this. I think 400 or 500 rupees की थी, I'm not sure. Next is again a white graphic t-shirt. Pardon me, I don't have any white t-shirts, so I got a couple of them. तो ये जो है, this is from the brand Mango and Mango, if you know, can be a little pricey, but right now it was on a really good sale. So again, this is it's a really nice graphic t-shirt. इस पे लिखा हुआ है Disfruter, which is a Spanish word for I want to enjoy life. And I do, even though COVID is messing it up for us, I really do want to enjoy life. So please, coronavirus, आप जाओ और हमें enjoy करने दो. But yeah, this is a really nice t-shirt. I got it in the size large, ताकि थोड़ी सी oversized हो. This was originally only for 690 rupees, but I saved more money on that and got it for 483 rupees. So it's a cool purchase and I really like it. So the next top that I have is a dressier top. It's like a crop top that I got. This is a mustard yellow crop top. This is from the brand Tokyo Talkies and I got it in the size large. It's a crop top, so I didn't want it to like totally like hug my body. The good thing is कि पीछे इसमें elastic है, तो अगर आपका food भी निकल जाता है like after eating something, you won't feel uncomfortable. ये stretchy है थोड़ा सा. The material is super nice. बिल्कुल भी चुभने वाला material नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी weird cheap material नहीं है. And now let me tell you how much I got it for. I got this only for 280 rupees. Can you guys believe it? This is such a good top. Like you can style it in so many ways and it's only for 280 rupees. Originally for I think 850 rupees and I got it only for 280 rupees. The next and the second last item that I have is this wraparound top. ये बस पहन के दिखा पाऊंगी, आप फिर ही समझ आएगा, पर ये ऐसे बहुत अजीब लगता है. But I finally gave into the trend of polka dots. बहुत टाइम हो गया था. I saw so many people wearing them and I never had the courage to wear it. But finally मैंने ले लिया because this top was super cheap and it's also in one of my favorite colors, yellow. Actually it said it's a mustard yellow top, but when you see it's not mustard yellow, it's almost like a bright yellow. But nevertheless I love it because I love yellow. It's a wraparound top. I would recommend you guys to size up क्योंकि काफी deep neck top है. मेरे को medium fit आता है, but because I have a heavier bust area, it was a little uncomfortable and weird for me. So I would say size up if you have a heavier bust like me. और थोड़ा सा deep है, तो if you're comfortable with it, good. If not, then maybe like you know wear like a band and something underneath. This was originally for 1,119 rupees and I got it only for 479 rupees, so I saved a lot of money on this. And the last thing that I got is a bottom wear piece. Now I'm sorry, this is not pressed. मैं भी press कर दूंगी. पर ये basically brown trousers हैं, which are like stretchy, so they're like pajamas but trousers, if it makes any sense. Now I got these because मैंने Instagram और Pinterest पे इतनी सारी लड़कियों को ये पहनते हुए देखा है, and they're super trendy. और even I want to try them, and they felt super comfortable क्योंकि ये like button वाले नहीं, elastic है. So it's super comfortable to wear also. मतलब मैं घर पे पहन सकती हूँ and stuff, and it's great for photo shoots. So it has pockets, and इसमें fake pockets नहीं, which is the best. It has proper pockets in it, and I got it in the size 30, which is a little loose for me, but I think it's okay. This one was originally for 1599, and I got for 639 rupees. So that was it for the haul and the try on part. Now let's come on to the gup. Let's come on to the gossip. Let's come on to the tea. तो मेरे साथ एक बहुत गंदा एक्सपीरियंस हुआ ऑन मिंत्रा, which basically was the reason why I didn't want to film the try on haul, because I was like shit यार, मूड खराब हो गया. But फिर भी all of my friends and you guys on Instagram told me that you guys want a Myntra haul, तो मैंने film कर लिया. पर let's come on to the real talk. So Myntra has an impression of having like really weird sellers, and कई branded चीजें उनकी मैंने सुना था कि fake होती हैं, but मैंने कभी उन पे believe नहीं किया. But when this happened with me, I'm going to be a lot more careful of मैं क्या-क्या Myntra से खरीदूँ. तो मैंने खुद के लिए एक pair of Adidas shoes मंगवाए थे. They were the black Samba Adidas kicks. Originally for 8,000 rupees, 7,999 rupees, 7,999 rupees, and there was a massive discount on it, and I was getting them for 3,199 rupees. तो more than 50% discount था उस पे. तो मेरे पापा ने मुझे बोला कि It seems a little shady. Are you sure ये original है? I was like हाँ, मैंने seller देखा, seller is Adidas का ही, तो original ही होगा. तो then he was like okay, एक बार देख लिए, अगर मतलब if you want then just buy it. I was like cool, अगर नहीं हुआ तो return कर दूँगी. I should have listened to my father. So when I got them, if you see the product description which I will put on the screen, it clearly says these are leather or faux leather Adidas shoes. What I will show you, the video I will play on the screen right now, is clearly a very cheap velvet suede looking material. मुझे पता भी नहीं कि क्या material है ये. Product description में clearly लिखा हुआ है कि it's rubber and leather, rubber sole and leather shoe. It was not what they showed on the website. Clearly, the laces felt very cheap. The sole wasn't how a basic Adidas original shoes का sole होता है. उसमें नीचे कोई भी watermark नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था. Adidas का logo नहीं था, size number नहीं था. एक बहुत अजीब सी जो cheap shoes की जो sole होती है ना, जो grip होती है नीचे की, वैसी सी थी. Not how most Adidas shoes are. Also, the biggest turn off of this was एक shoe के पीछे print smudge था. And Adidas has really good quality shoes. They will not ever have like a weird smudge print. And yeah, I was super disappointed. I was like shit man, Myntra जैसे इतना बड़ा site is doing screw ups like this. So I was super disappointed. मैंने एक Instagram story भी डाली थी where I tagged Myntra, and there was no response sadly. So if anyone from the Myntra team is watching this, I would highly urge you guys to do proper quality checks, because it's not just me. When I post the stories, so many people replied to me saying हमारे साथ भी हो चुका है, हमें Adidas की, Nike की चप्पल नकली मिली थी, हमें ये watch नकली मिली थी. मेरी दोस्त के साथ भी हो चुका है when she ordered a watch and it was a first copy. So as consumers and as my viewers and as a person who has experienced this, the one thing that I would advise you to do is, no matter what you order, how cheap or how expensive it is, please make sure कि आप अपने आप quality check करो. What I usually like to do is every time I get a clothing accessory or any piece, I see कि उसके अंदर से कोई धागे तो नहीं निकल रहे हैं, कहीं से फटे तो नहीं हुए हैं, कहीं कोई दाग तो नहीं लगे हुए हैं, क्या प्रोडक्ट का जो डिस्क्रिप्शन था वो उसके एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट मटेरियल वगैरह से मैच कर रहा है. If I've ordered a cotton t-shirt, is the t-shirt really cotton? So all these things are something you should do yourself, because as a consumer you should also be very well informed, and also you should do justice yourself. So even if it's a 200 rupee thing or a 2000 rupee thing or a 20,000 rupee thing, I believe everyone should get their money's worth. So make sure you think and make sure you take all of this into consideration. I thought that I need to talk about this on my platform because I am completely honest with you guys, and I don't mind speaking up against bigger brands, because I think it's important कि कोई ना कोई आगे अपना real experience बताए, honest experience बताए. So yeah, I hope you guys liked that, and आप next time थोड़े careful होगे कि आप Myntra से क्या खरीदो. But yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the try-on haul. Let me know in the comments below दो things कि first आपको मेरे पूरे haul में क्या अच्छा लगा. सबसे I think मेरा was this polka dot top. I love how it looks on me. And second, let me know कि आपके साथ कभी Myntra या कोई भी और shopping site पे कुछ हुआ है when you have received a fake product. If yes, what do you guys do? Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, if you guys liked this video and enjoyed it, please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. जाके smash कर दो like button. And also make sure you subscribe to my channel if you guys are. I love you so much. Please also go and hit the bell icon जिससे आपको notifications मिलेगी every time I post a new video. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I will see you guys next time. Bye.